Early settings in the World Cup so far, but the Maverick want to jump out ahead of the pack with a few predictions. Now, first of all, controversial VAR decisions will dominate the tournament. Just mark the Mavericks' words. Yes. The fact that the television audience is not seeing the process as it unfolds, that is a recipe for controversy and disaster. Next thing, from all reports and what we're seeing, Qatar is very hot and humid, and that will suit the non-European teams, such as the Africans, the South Americans, and even the teams from CONCACAF. Now, bearing in mind that only Spain in 2010 and Germany in 2014, as European teams, have won the World Cup outside of Europe, I think with the strength of the Argentina and Brazil, plus the added incentive of addressing the widening gap between European wins at 10 and South American wins at 8, I think a South American team will win this World Cup in Qatar. Now, as to which South American team will win it, your guess is as good as mine. Yes. You know my guess already. What is your guess?